Hello one and all, again it's time to share the third video on the coordinate geometry of two dimensions. The remaining problems are being discussed. This is 18th number problem. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4, there are two lines, pi by 45 degree, slope of one line is 1 by 2, find the slope of other line. Let the slope of other line is m2, m2 is equal to m for convenience. Now we know that tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 m1 modulus. Absolute value is being taken in the formula. Now tan 45 is m, m2 is taken as m minus half by 1 plus m into half. On simplifying this, we get 2m minus 1, 2 plus m. Now how to remove the absolute value sign? See this instruction. If modulus of x is equal to a or modulus of x is equal to modulus of a, then x is equal to plus minus a. The constant will be taken as plus minus a and modulus will be removed. Similarly, this modulus is being removed and this 1, the value of this tan 45 is 1 and 1 becomes plus minus 1. We are getting one's positive, one's negative, and we get two values of slopes m3 and m minus 1 by 3. So these are the two values of slopes. Now the 23 number question, higher order thinking problem. 23. This is there is a parallelogram whose vertices are given as shown in the figure. A, B, C, D are given. We have to find out angle between the diagonals. Now the slope of AC, y2 minus y1, the slope formula I have taught already. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. On the basis of this, the slope of AC is minus 1 by 2 and slope of BD is this 2 minus 2, infinite. Now the formula, find the angle, prove that tan theta is equal to 2. If theta is the angle between two diagonals, we have to show that tan theta is equal to 2. But one of the slope is infinite. Let this is m1 and this is m2. Now one more formula you have to know. Tan theta is usually m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 m1. This is used to find the angle between the two lines, but if one of them is infinite, then this may not work successfully. So learn more. If m2 is infinite, then tan theta will be equal to modulus of 1 by m1. If m2 is infinite, tan theta is 1 by m1, and if m1 is infinite, then tan theta will be equal to 1 by m2. So these two formula, additional formula should be remembered by the students to do this. One of the slope is infinite. Now using this, tan theta is equal to 1 by m2 is infinite, so 1 by m1. So this is 1 by minus 1 by 2. So this is negative of 2. So this is 2. So tan theta is equal to 2 proved. Now moving towards the topic is changed. Now moving towards exercise 1C. In 1C, I will start the straight line. Straight line. The straight line, the basic concept of a straight line will be discussed first. You must be knowing that equation of x-axis implies y is equal to 0. This is very clear that on x-axis 1 0, 2 0, x 0. So y is always 0 on x-axis. So this is the equation of x-axis. Now equation of y-axis implies x is equal to 0. On y-axis, we take 0 1, 0 2, 0 y. So x is 0 everywhere. So this is the equation of y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. You may be knowing from the previous class 10th. Now next problem. Third number, find basic problems. Find the equation of a line at 5 unit distance above x-axis and parallel to x-axis. This is also known to you from class 10 that these are the axes, x-axis, y-axis. Now equation of a line 5 unit distance above x-axis. So this is 5 unit. Now this line will be y is equal to 5. So our answer is y is equal to 5. Similarly, if we are taking 5 unit below, it will be y is equal to minus 5. No need to explain more, you already knowing. The next problem, find k, fifth number problem. Find k if k minus 1x plus k square minus 4y plus k minus 2 into k minus 6 is equal to 0 is first parallel to x-axis, second parallel to y-axis, third passing through 0, 0. Origin. Now we have to do the problem parallel to x-axis. There is a condition, if the line is parallel to x-axis, y equal to y equal to y equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to 2. So the coefficient of x must be 0 for first case. First, parallel to x-axis, coefficient of x is 0, y x does not exist. So this implies coefficient of x is equal to 0. The coefficient of x is k minus 1. So k minus 1 is equal to 0. This gives k is equal to 1. Answer. Similarly, second, parallel to y-axis. It is quite obvious that if the lines are parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis, x is equal to 1, 0, x is equal to 0, 2, x is equal to 2. So y does not exist. So y coefficient of y is equal to 0 because y does not exist for the lines parallel to y-axis. Now the coefficient of y is 0. So this implies k square minus 4 is equal to 0. See, coefficient of y is k square minus 4. So this gives k square 4. So k is equal to plus minus 2. So this is your answer. K is equal to plus minus 2. Now passing through origin. Passing through origin means the value of x and y are 0. So putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So we get for the third number problem 0 plus k minus 2 into k minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is already factorized. So this gives k is equal to 2, k is equal to 6 answer. Now the main straight line is being started now. The main straight line, theorem number 1. First theorem. This is the main equation of a straight line. I am going to discuss to find the equation of a line passing through x1, y1 and given slope m. So we are going to find out the equation of such line which is passing through x1, y1 with slope m. This is the line making theta degree angle with positive direction of x-axis, and x1, y1 is given on the line. x1, y1 given on the line. Now to find the equation of line, we must take a general point xy. Let xy is a general point on the line. Now if xy is being taken as a general point on the line, let this is xy. Now draw perpendiculars. The distance is counted from the origin, so this will be x1 and this will be y1, and this is xy. So this length will be x and this length will be y. Now one more perpendicular is being drawn on this. So if the whole length is x, this length is x1, then this will be x2 minus x minus x1. This length is x minus x1, and this y1, this is also y1. So this length will be y minus y1. Now this theta, this is also theta because corresponding angles are equal. So tan theta is equal to, we know that tan theta is equal to this by this. This is also x minus x1. So this by this, y minus y1 by x minus x1. So this tan theta is also known as m. So finally m is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. So this is the equation of a straight line in a standard form, first type of, this is type 1 based on theorem number 1. Now remember this. So it is known to us now that y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. This is type 1. When x1, y1 given, slope given. Now the related problem on type 1, question number 1. Find equation of a line passing through 2, 3 and with slope minus 2 by 5. Now clearly x1, y1 is this and slope m is this. So since answer started, since x1, y1 is 2, 3, m is equal to minus 2 by 5. Now the equation is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. So put in this y minus y1 is 3 by x minus x1 is 2 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Now by cross multiplication we get 5y minus 15 minus 2x plus 4. Now this is brought to the left side. So this is 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 15 added to this side. This is 19 answer. One more thing, students, must be noted that the standard form of a straight line, the standard form of a straight line, you know from class 10, this is either ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to minus c. These are the standard form of a straight line. C may be positive, may be negative, it depends upon the given problem. You are knowing from class 10. Many equations of this kind you have seen in class 10. So this is the standard form of the line in second form. Now next target. The second target is the second theorem number 2, type 2. Find an equation of a line passing through x2, y2. the 2 points are given on the line and we have to write the equation of the line, we can use this first type, since equation of line is implies y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. At the same time you know how to find out the slope of line joining 2 points. So this m can be replaced by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You can avoid this type 2 because the problems of type 2 can be done by the first method. Let us start one problem. Question number 2. Find equation of a line passing through 2, 3 and minus 10, minus 11. So we have to find out the equation of this line. So this is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. So we can use this formula to find the equation of a straight line, but we can use the first m. पहले m प्राप्त कर लीजिए, m is not given, so we know that m is equal to answer. Started m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is minus 11 minus 3 by minus 10 minus 2. This is minus 14 by minus 12. This is 7 by 6. So the equation of line can be written by type 1. So equation of line y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. Now put the value and get the answer. So y minus y1 is 3 by x minus x1 is 2, and this is equal to our slope 7 by 6. It can be simplified to get the final answer. This is 7x minus 14 is equal to 7x minus 14, 6y minus 18. So 7x minus 6y is equal to minus 4. This is the answer in the standard form. I discussed ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to minus c. So, but the same problem, this problem has been done according to type 1 instruction. You can also do by type 2 directly, passing through this. The direct use of 2 points form. 2 points form answer. Equation of a line when x1 y1 x2 y2 given is implies y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You can use this long formula to find the same answer. So this is y minus y1 is 3 by x minus x1 is 2, y2 minus 11 minus 3 by minus 10 minus 2. So this is y minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 14 by 12, 7 by 6. So we get the same answer, 7x minus 14 is equal to 6y minus 18. So this is again 7x minus 6y equal to minus 4 answer. Both answers are same, so better to opt the first type. Thank you very much, students. In the next video I will discuss more. Thank you.